Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Today, we learn important collocations using the word have. These phrases sound natural when native speakers talk. Have fun, have a drink, and have a look are perfect examples for beginners. Collocations mean words that we always use together in English. Native speakers say have fun, not make fun or take fun. This makes your English sound natural and correct. Learning collocations helps you speak like people who grew up speaking English. Have fun means enjoy yourself and have a good time. You say have fun when going to a party or playing games. For example, have fun at the beach or have fun with friends. This is one of the most common English collocations with have. Have a drink means drink something like water, juice, coffee, or tea. Use this when offering someone a beverage or going to order one. For example, would you like to have a drink or let us have a drink first? Never say take a drink in this situation. Have a look means look at something quickly or examine it. Use this when showing someone a picture, document, or new item. For example, have a look at this photo or please have a look at my work. This sounds much more natural than just look. Have an idea means suddenly think of something or get a new thought. Use this when brainstorming or suggesting solutions. For example, I have an idea for the project, or do you have any ideas? This collocation shows creative thinking in English. Have a ride means travel in a vehicle like a car, bike, or horse. Use this when someone offers you transportation. For example, would you like to have a ride home or let us have a ride together? This makes transportation conversations sound natural. Now you know 7 important have collocations. Practice using have fun, have a drink, have a look every day. These phrases make your English sound natural and fluent. Keep practicing and you will master English collocations quickly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.